Good morning, class 3. Are you ready for English, everybody? So please open your Radiant Readers. Yes, page number 14 and 15. Today we'll start a new lesson, that is Robinson Crusoe. What is the lesson? Robinson Crusoe. But before that, we'll do all the phonics first. Okay? G. Q. R. Cure. Q. B. Cube. K. Ute. Cute. Use, use, sh or shore, r, u, rule, rule, r, u, rude, rude, June, June. Do you understand? Yes, so we'll do it again. Q, r, cure, q, b, cube, q, t, cute, use, use, sh, r, shore, ru, le rule, ru, the rude, June, June. So can you see this picture? Yes, it's a very big ship in the sea. Yes, so we'll read the lesson first, then you understand the story. Robinson Crusoe, R-O-B-I-N-S-O-N, Robinson, C-R-U-S-O-E, Crusoe, Robinson Crusoe. It's a name of a person. Okay. Tools, fence, round. When Robinson Crusoe was a little boy, he always said that someday he would be a sailor, as his father would not let him go to sea. He ran away from home and became a cabin boy on a sailing ship. Cabin means a very small room. Okay? So the cabin on the ship, the small rooms on the ships. A few years went by and he grew to be a very clever sailor. One day a storm arose and blew his ship onto sandbank. Sandbank means the collection of sand, okay? Where there is lot of sand. See this picture? They are all in the sea. Soon the sails were torn to shred. So shred means into the pieces, okay? And the mast broken. Mast means a very big pores, okay? And mast broken. The crew got into a little boat, but a big wave capsized. Capsized means to take control. Robinson swam ashore. Ashore means a part near the sea. He was only one saved. He spent the night up in a tree for fear. Fear means, yes, he's afraid of wild animals, wild beasts. In the morning, when he awoke, the storm was over and the sky was clear and blue. So, we are going to read it till here. Okay? Do you understand, everybody? Now, turn your page again. We'll mark the words for the dictation. Okay? So, the first word is Robinson Crusoe. What is the word? Robinson Crusoe. Tools, fence, round, sailor, father, ठीक है, cabin, sailing. ठीक हो गया class 3? Do you understand? So we have the dictation of these words, ठीक है, for Tuesday. And read the lesson once again, everybody. If you have any difficulty, ask me, ठीक है? Till then, bye bye, take care, God bless you all. Hanji class 3. So we'll finish our reading. So we'll do the copy work and today we are going to do the writing. So we'll do two letters again today, two alphabets, that is I and J. How to make I? Again, make a slant line. Okay, go up, come down, and this is called I. Okay, how to make J? Again, slant line. Go up, come down, make a small loop like this, and this is J. Now we will write here that how we'll write it here. So we'll do the writing first on our neat copies, and I hope you understand all the alphabets. Yes, and you try also. Yes, good. So how to make I? See, slant line, go up, come down, and this is I. Again, see, yes. How to make J in these two lines? See, clear everybody? Again I'll make I for you. This is I and J. Clear everybody? So do you understand? G. So class 3, open your grammar tree बच्चे everybody. You have G, book 3, the grammar tree. ठीक है, open it and page number 1. Shabash. Here our first topic is nouns, proper nouns, common nouns and collective nouns. Did you remember on Thursday we'll do all the definitions? Yes? Good. So here we'll do the exercise B, that is pick out the nouns from the following sentences and point out whether they are proper or common. One has been done for you. So here the one has been done for us, that is the name of my brother is Faraz. Okay? So name, common noun. Okay? Brother is also common noun and Faraz is the proper noun. Here we have this exercise till number 10. Okay? It's a small activity. You'll do it on your books. So Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Number 2 is Ali Baba found a cave full of treasure. Number 4, many visitors come to the city in winter. Afridi is a great cricketer. The match will be held on Monday. Our school is now closed for Eid. Have you borrowed any book from the library? The birds had built their nests in the tree. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Okay? So you are going to just underline all the nouns, pronouns. Okay? Do you understand everybody? Just underline it. Clear everybody? Do you understand? Do this exercise on the book, but before that please write down the date. So today is 26th April. Okay? So please write down the date also. And then you are going to do this activity on the book and send it to me. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.